go. Again to Keiki. Mispeka cuts outside. He's on outside, off to the races. But dragged out of bounds there by number 57, Vitelo Lolisio. But after he gains another 15 yards and another Samoana first down. This is where the Samoana offense comes through, is when the defense starts to get tired.
Especially when you got them big bodies keep on leaning on you,
Big body on a small body.
That's right.
It takes its toll. And, Tafuna was doing a good job defensively.
Yeah, it's probably their best defensive game so far this year.
Pitches is out to Edward Alau.
Nice read. Notice Hill coming up.
Good defensive play there. One of the players was hit right into the running back. I guess instead of the running back cutting back inside, he tried to get around the corner, but the pursuit of the Warriors caught up with him after a loss of 2 yards. The ball will be marked at about the 14-yard line.
That was a good play by the defensive safety, Faunga Purtasi.
Samoana, second down.
Haftai
Lefiti. Gets to the original line of scrimmage is Tai Lefiti. And with the clock coming to the 4-minute warning,
Samoana driving. Ball on the 12-yard line.
pitches out to Keiki.
That's a nice read by number 25.
Read. Number 25.
I'm pretty sure we might see a field goal here, Ed.
Satini Afua. Good read. I think after Keiki getting all them yards on the outside, they're finally stacking up there. But might be a little bit too late.
It's 4-minute warning.
With the 4-minute warning sound, Samoana 22, Tafuna 14.
One heck of a football game. If you weren't out here, you missed one heck of a football game.
Right now, I would be telling the defense to tackle the ball. Try to strip the ball and get the ball back.
And don't let them score.
Don't let them score, whatever you do. David Richmond, fake inside, trap outside, and there goes Keiki, cuts the corner. One player. Oh,
nice play. Faunga Pulitasi.
Faunga Pulitasi, another great play by Faunga.
Faunga Pulitasi represented American Samoa in the sprints in Fiji. But I wish he would have caught him the last time he was running that.
Well, you give Keiki that much room to run, it'd be hard for him to catch.
It's hard. Especially these kids, I don't know.
He's only a sophomore too, so he'll be around.
Angles on how to chase somebody down, you know. First of all, don't let him get out in front of you.
Tafuna takes over. Back to pass. Finally catching a pass.
He should have
went out of bounds the first time he was trying to get out of bounds. Finally, I think that's the first reception today by Jeff Toloa.
All the Tafuna Warriors need to do is score and then score a PAT and tie this game.
They've got to go a little faster. There's 2 minutes and count. 3 minutes and counting. He's getting chased by Bisa Mangele again.
Grounding.
That could be a penalty, and there's no penalty on the play. No flag on the play.
There's a little bit of love there by the referees.
I think a little bit of love there by the referee there, because there was nobody around the ball. So as my brother would say, hey man, what, referee bashing again?
Referee bashing, about time. I mean, she's...
Oteta Sasoli. Inside to Kanyelu and met again by Bisa Mangele. Having a heck of a game for the Sharks today. This half, we haven't heard George Asalele Quincy-Sao, but you hear Bisa Magele.
Yeah, but they're probably running away from him. Those two.
Still catching him.
I think if anybody was to be interviewed, I think maybe we'll interview the linebacker crew. What do you think?
Okay, that'd be a good idea, Pete.
Maybe we'll interview George Asalele, Quincy-Sao,
Bisa Magele. Interview all of them.
and Eliu Papa. We have a Shark fan over here trying to be a clock keeper, but
with 2 minutes and counting, Tafuna's got to go 75 yards.
Quickly. Get out of bounds.
Sure, get out of bounds.
There you go. Stop the clock.
Stop the clock at 1 minute and 52 seconds.
That's what they got to do. Then run that chair pattern. 6 points.
It'll be second down and short of about 3 yards. It's the Tafuna Warriors on their own 33-yard line. He's going to the wrong side.
Bisa Magele.
I think he went to the wrong side because he ran right smack into Bisa Magele. Was David Tilly. And Tafuna calls a timeout.
But that was an interesting call, too, Quick dive with the fullback.
With 1 minute and 35 seconds, Tafuna calls the timeout. And yeah, you're right, Pete. Interesting, very interesting. That's why we're up here and they're down there.
I would, try to put the ball in the hands of my fastest running back, if anybody.
I don't see Ben Solmuli, but he's on the sidelines.
Well, Lin Chang-Hela's been playing a good game.
But, when you need to catch up fast,
you need some
fast people. And, even if you have to use them at a receiver position, just try to get the ball to them whichever way you can. Screen, short, get the passes in the flats. Flats meaning towards the sideline. So it'll be third down and about 4 yards to go. Tafuna back to pass. It's Otesoli being chased by Eliu Papao.
He's got it! He's got his receiver! And he's going! Oh! Lin Chang-Helu! And it's good. Just like what we said, Ed, about getting the ball in your fastest hand, people.
Fast-ass people. But it wasn't Ben Solomuli, it was Lin Chang-Helu. A great pass. A great pass by Oteta Sosoli.
Nice catch by Lin
Chang-Helu. And if it were a faster person, I think it might have scored.
Oh, yes. That was a beautiful pass and reception. He threw that ball on the line, a frozen rope right to the receiver. Looked like it was Quincy-Sao who was hurt on that last play.
Yeah, he was the one chasing them down.
Well, Quincy-Sao, he's all over the field. So
he plays free safeties and all the positions for the linebacker.
That's one heck of a football player. It's right down to the wire.
Down to the wire with 1 minute, 6 seconds left in this game. Tafuna on the 22-yard line of Samoana Sharks. Back to pass. Trying to get Ben Solomuli. One-on-one with the corner. Overthrew Ben Solomuli there was Oteta Sosoli.
I think they heard what you said earlier, Ed, about trying to get the ball to Ben.
With 1 minute and 1 second left, the score is 22. Tafuna 14.
And I think that was the same play that Lin Chang-Helu caught the football that they tried to hit Ben on. 1 minute and 1 second.
The ball is a little bit slippery since the drizzle is coming down a little harder. But that's slowly pitching.
There he goes. Ben Solomuli taking it outside.
Bisa Magele makes a good stop after a short game.
Playing one heck of a football game today.
And Tafuna probably calls their last time out.
And the rain is coming down.
With 48 seconds left in the game. They have to get the ball into the end zone here.
And if you people here, you could feel the electricity and the excitement.
Timeout call by Tafuna Warriors.
You know, all they need is 6 yards for a first down. And the ball's on the 19.
But they got 2 downs. So I'd go for the end zone right now and get the worry about the first down there.
Later on, huh? Well, like I said, the ball's a little bit slippery.
Yeah,
I would test Ben Moody one more time on the outside. Because, Quincy Sal's back in. Well, I don't think I would test him. I thought he was still hurt.
Clock starts. Back to pass. Oh! Tip back. None it in. Quincy Sal. 43 seconds and 4th down. I guess they tried what I said, but they missed that. Almost got it intercepted with 4th down coming up.
They forgot that Quincy.
This is
the medical examiner.
This could be the last play for the Warriors. Samoana stops them right here. They have to get to about the 13-yard line for a first down.
Ben Moody split wide.
Motion.
Back to pass.
Wide open. Wide open. Wide open. It's wide open. Oh!
And that could be the game, folks. That could be the game.
And that could be the last play of the game with 36 seconds left in this game. An outstanding game between both clubs. With the score, Samoana 22, Tafuna 14 with 36 seconds left in this game.
Samoana on the 19. Quarterback takes the knee.
And the quarterback takes a knee with time running down. And I think the Sharks should just let the clock go because there's less than 20